I don't want to scare anybody else off. And I've been contemplating how I could maybe encourage other people, because Benny E-Mini's a little bitch and he's not going to really join it. But I hope he does find his balls, because I will absolutely solidify that Algo Box is subpar, and Vincent Marchi of Allen, Texas is a punk bitch, racist fuck that will get his ass stomped publicly, globally by me. And I'm calling you out. And Curtis G, bring your Mickey Mouse bullshit. Let's go. I told you, watch how this year ends, because I'm joining it. I'm joining that Robbins Cup, and I'm beating Larry Williams' fucking record. I'm not worried about who else is joining. You all can come in there for your own personal reasons, but I'm in there to set a new record. That's the only reason why I'm there. Then you can talk about ICT the rest of your fucking miserable lives. I don't give a fuck. But for the folks that have a service, for a course, okay, you sell something, this is the greatest measure of respect that you could garner for yourself. I'm not saying you have to win it, because I already told you, you're not fucking winning it. That's not going to happen. That's absolutely not going to happen. But the fact that you come in second to me, third, fourth, or fifth, or even enter it at all, maybe you don't even get to the top 5. The fact that you participate, that you have the willingness to do that, you know what that shows me? That somebody's been doing this for 30 years, that has a public influence, that has a little bit of a following. People tend to listen to me when I talk, whether they like me or not. I have a great deal of respect for that, because it takes a lot of courage. It takes a lot of confidence that you have what it takes to step out there and let the whole world fucking see everything. Because once you make it to that leaderboard, you better not fucking fall off. Right, Tom Dante? I got a lot of emails from people. A lot of emails saying, wow, did that really happen? Tom Dante fell off and failed? Well, I don't know. You tell me. Okay? But I got pissed off, and I waited most of this year, because you know I'm leaving social media on November 11th. And he sat back quietly and let people pretend like he called me out. That never happened. It never happened. I have all of the interactions still recorded, and you can go back, because to my knowledge, I don't think he's ever deleted a tweet. But you can see it where I tweeted his number 5 spot. And I encouraged him when he got to number 1, I would join him. It never happened. He fell off the next day. I believe that Tom Dante should join in 2024. If he doesn't, no harm, no foul. But he was willing to do it then. Why not now? You have all these opinions. You want to talk to people in private settings, talk about ICT is going to get ran off of social media in a week. Motherfucker, I've been here for 2 years begging for it. And now someone with class, someone with fucking balls, stepped out like a fucking gentleman and said, I'm ready, let's go. That's how it should be. That's exactly how it should be, because if you're confident in what you fucking supposedly know how to do, okay, if you're willing to go out there and put your name behind something, behind a paywall, and say, I can do this, but you better pay me first, but you're not willing to step out there and say, watch me do it. I'm not afraid to do that. Watch me do it. And I'm willing to stand out there with somebody else in comparison with other people all around the world